Good morning, friends of Summit Speech School. It's Miss Tina, and today we are going to talk about solids and liquids. Do you guys know what a solid is? A solid is anything that keeps its shape. So, for example, Miss Tina is a solid. I keep my own shape. My glasses are a solid. They keep its own shape. My cell phone is a solid. It does not change shape. A liquid, on the other hand, is something that doesn't keep a shape. It takes the shape of the container that it's in. For example, water. This water stays in this shape of this plastic container. I'm going to pour some onto this plate. See? And then when it gets onto the plate, it makes a puddle of water. Honey is a liquid. Honey also does not keep its own shape. Watch how it comes out. I'm doing it onto the plate, not to the table, friends. So make sure when you're pouring your liquids, you do it onto a plate with your mommy and daddy. And honey oozes out all over. It does not hold its own shape. Here's an interesting one. I have a teapot. Is the teapot a solid or a liquid? Right, the teapot is solid. It keeps its own shape. But the tea inside it, you see that? Is that a solid or a liquid? I'll do it one more time. Right, friends. The tea is a liquid. Now we're going to do an experiment. This is so fun. You guys can do this at home with your moms and dads. We're going to take a liquid, this cranberry juice. I chose cranberry juice because it's red and you can see it. And also it tastes good. When we're done with our experiment, I'm going to eat some of the solid that we make. Okay, I'm using cranberry juice. You can use orange juice. You could use water and make ice cubes if you want to. Taking water and freezing it into ice cubes makes water into a solid. I'm using an ice cube tray. You can use plastic containers if you want to, whatever mom and dad say that you can use. I'm going to pour the liquid into my ice cube tray. I'll show you in 1 minute what it will look like. There you go. So now my liquid is taking the shape of these cubes. These are 1-inch cubes like we use in Miss Laura's classroom at school to do our building blocks. And I'm going to put it in the freezer behind me. I put some in last night so that they would be ready for our game today. When you put your liquid in the freezer, it will take a few hours for it to actually freeze. It won't be as fast as this, just so you know. I have a clean plate, and I'm going to show you. Look, my cranberry juice, does that look like a liquid anymore? No, it doesn't. And I'm going to push them out onto the plate, and I'll show you what they look like. They look like solid cubes. I can build with them, but I couldn't do that with the liquid from my container. I couldn't build, so we turned the cranberry juice into ice cubes. And now I'm going to do two fun things with these now. One, I'm going to leave these ice cubes on my plate for a few hours, and you will see that they will melt and turn back into cranberry juice. So our solid can turn back into a liquid. I'm going to take this one now and I'm going to eat it because it's going to taste just like a frozen ice pop. So you guys have fun. You can choose whatever juice you want to freeze. You can choose water to freeze, but whatever it is, have fun with it. Take pictures and show Miss Tina how you turned a liquid into a solid. Have a great day.